it be we be buying dreams to disguise what we don't have? Could it be we worship things that ultimately can't last? Could it be we sabotage love 'cause it hurt us in the past? Could it be we can't clearly see what to subtract and what to add? You do the math, 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 and see what you get. Could it be we flee responsibility? All 'cause mom and dad made us sad. Hear me now. Could it be we give up on justice 'cause the program so dynamic? Somebody, could it be